Photo editing has always been an essential yet time-consuming part of professional photography. Retouching, especially when it comes to portraits, can often feel repetitive and draining. Hours of carefully removing blemishes, correcting shadows, balancing highlights, and sculpting facial features can take away from the creative energy photographers want to invest elsewhere. While the process is rewarding in the end, many professionals admit it is a task they love to hate. Retouch4me showcases how AI is transforming creative workflows, delivering studio-quality results with just one click. Its suite of plugins and cloud-based retouching make professional-grade photo editing accessible, whether on a high-end system or a basic laptop. Redefining digital retouching in 2025. At its core, Retouch4me is both a standalone application and a plugin-based system available for Windows and Mac OS. Each plugin is powered by neural networks specifically trained for different aspects of portrait retouching. Instead of one generic model that applies a blanket effect, Retouch4me is divided into specialized tools that target unique areas such as skin, facial structure, eyes, fabric, and even overall lighting. This modular approach means the software can adapt to a wide variety of images and editing needs. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a quick download from the official website, after which the plugins become accessible under the Retouch4me menu inside Photoshop. For those who prefer a more direct approach, the standalone version allows users to simply drag and drop images. And for maximum convenience, the cloud-based retouching option eliminates the need for installation altogether. Upload the photos, let the AI process them online, and download the finished edits. Among the different tools in the Retouch4me ecosystem, Retouch4me Heal stands out as the most immediately useful for photographers who deal with portraits. It focuses on clearing skin imperfections such as acne, redness, and blemishes while carefully preserving natural skin texture. Unlike traditional smoothing techniques that often leave faces looking overly plastic, this plugin maintains a realistic appearance where pores and fine details remain visible. For photographers handling fashion, beauty, or everyday portraits, this creates a level of polish without compromising authenticity. Another plugin that demonstrates the depth of the system is Retouch4me Dodge and Burn. In classic retouching, dodge and burn is one of the most time-intensive tasks, requiring careful adjustments to highlights and shadows to shape the face. The plugin replicates this process automatically, reducing under-eye darkness, refining jawlines, and softening facial folds, all while maintaining the natural integrity of the subject. The difference is subtle but powerful, producing a portrait that feels more defined and vibrant without artificial exaggeration. Retouch4me Portrait Volumes takes this concept even further by sculpting the face with light. It enhances cheekbones, gently lifts brows, defines the jawline, and brings soft radiance to eyes and lips. The results resemble expert makeup contouring, but applied digitally in seconds. For photographers who work with clients seeking polished yet natural-looking images, this tool is particularly valuable. The changes are not overwhelming, but instead provide a sense of three-dimensional depth that makes portraits stand out. Retouch4me Apex. For those who want an all-in-one solution, Retouch4me Apex is a major innovation. Unlike the other tools that focus on specific adjustments, Apex combines 12 AI models into one powerful plugin. Because it processes images in the cloud, it can handle professional-level retouching in a fraction of the time. From skin corrections and eye enhancements to fabric smoothing and overall tonal adjustments, Apex provides sliders for customization so users can control the intensity of the edits. The results are comparable to outsourcing the work to a professional retoucher, but with instant turnaround. Another advantage for Photoshop users is the dedicated Retouch4me panel. This feature integrates all the plugins into a compact interface within Photoshop itself, allowing editors to access heal, dodge and burn, portrait volumes, eye brilliance, and more, all in one place. It supports both local and cloud-based processing, giving flexibility depending on the user's setup. Batch processing is also possible, meaning entire photo sets can be retouched in one go, a major time saver for wedding and event photographers who often have to handle hundreds of portraits. In terms of pricing, Retouch4me offers two main approaches. The plugins can be purchased individually with a one-time payment, which includes lifetime updates, making them an attractive long-term investment for professionals. For those who prefer not to install software or only need occasional edits, the cloud-based retouching system operates on a credit model. 1 credit equals 1 processed image, and each new user receives 20 free credits to test the service. Right now, you can get up to 20% off with our promo code Bytable, or check out the link in the description to get the discount. Thanks, Retouch4me, for sponsoring this video. Importantly, once a photo has been processed, exporting it again does not consume additional credits. This flexibility allows users to decide whether they prefer to fully own the tools or simply pay for what they use through the cloud. Overall, Retouch4me represents one of the most practical uses of AI in photography today. By automating some of the most repetitive yet crucial aspects of retouching, it allows photographers to focus more on creativity and client interaction rather than endless hours of manual corrections. From quick skin cleanups to full-scale retouching sessions with Apex, the software adapts to different needs without compromising quality. The technology is not about replacing the human touch entirely, but about enhancing efficiency while keeping results natural and professional.